Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you step by step process of Pinterest affiliate marketing. So let's start. First, if you don't know about Pinterest is a social media platform that gets lot of traffic. If we go to similar web and check the pinterest.com, I will scroll down. It gets total of 1.2 billion visitors per month. Also, 43% of people come from United States. So this is a really awesome social media platform to share content and make affiliate sales. Also, Pinterest is a search engine like YouTube. As example, if we search on YouTube about some question, we will get videos related to that question. So if someone search something on Pinterest, he or she will get result related to that question. That means if you create pins with keywords and optimize the pin, that pin will never die, because if someone search keyword that include your pin will get on search result. So I will show you step by step process of create those pin and create Pinterest business account. Then I will show you how to add your affiliate links. So let's start. First I go to business.pinterest.com. Then there has sign up button, so I click on sign up. Now here I can add my email, password and age. Then I will click on create account. Okay, I created the account. Now we can add profile name for our Pinterest account. If you have a website, you can add it. If you don't have, you can click on no. We can change those profile name and picture after we go through the whole process of create the account. By the way, I will add name that related to product I am going to promote in this account. As example, if we go to Digistore24, I can select any kind of product. For this example, I will select product related to dating, love and relationship. So I go to dating, love and relationship. Now there has products related to dating, love and relationship. So I am going to promote this product, his secret obsession. So you can pick any product related to your favorite category, then add the name related to your product. So if I am going to promote this product, I will create content related to love and relationship. So I will add my name as relationship advice. So if you create content related to health and fitness, you can add name like weight loss diet, keto diet, high intensity workout or something like that. I hope you get the idea. After that I click on next. Now there has a question, what's the focus of your brand? So I will select other. As example, if you promote content related to health and fitness, you can click on this health and fitness. I will click on other. Then I will type the brand focus. So I will add like relationship advice. Then I have to pick 3 goals of this account. So I will click on sell more product, generate more leads, and I will select those 3 items. Then I click on next. After that I have to describe my brand. So I click on blogger and click next. Then there is question called is running ad on Pinterest. I click on I am not sure yet and click next. Okay, now I close this window and now we have our Pinterest account. So if I click this avatar icon, I will go to this page. Now we have to edit it. To edit it, I click this arrow icon and click on setting. In here I can edit my profile. First I have to change the photo. So I click on change and I have to upload the photo. So I have to create logo and get logo from royalty free website. So I will create a small logo. To create logo, I will go to canva.com. Canva is a free tool to create your own design. So I will log into Canva and create simple logo. Okay, after I log into Canva, I will search here logo. Then here as pre-built template, I can select one of these template and change it. So I will click this one and create simple logo. I hope you can do it same. Okay, I create this simple logo. Now I click on download and click on download. It's downloaded. Now I will go to Pinterest and select that downloaded PNG. Okay, now I have to add display name. So when you add display name, you have to add keywords related to your niche. In my case, relationship advice or love and relationship. To do that, we can analyze other people's Pinterest account and get idea. So I will go to pinterest.com and click this search icon. Then I will search relationship advice. Now when I search relationship advice, I will see a keyword related to relationship advice. So I will press enter, and in here I will click this drop down and select people. Now I can see all people's or all Pinterest account related to relationship advice. Then I can get some ideas about keywords. So search your keyword here and find account related to your keyword or your account and get idea. So I will add my name in this format. So I will add few keywords related to relationship like this. As I told before, Pinterest is a search engine. So you have to optimize your account to get on search result. Also I will change the display name. Then I have to write about section of my profile. To do that, I will go to other people's profile and get idea. So let's go to those 3 people's profile, and you can read this and get some content to add on your profile, but don't copy exact same content, just get some idea and reconstruct that content. So if I search here is another about profile content. Also here is another content. So just find out the format of their about section and write your own content about your profile. When you write this content, always try to add keywords, and don't just add keywords and hashtag like this profile. That person just add hashtag, it just not make sense. Always add something that have meaning, and if someone read your about section, that person will get exact idea about your profile. So I will add content like this. Now if you have website, you can add website URL. If you have email, you can add the email. Then you can add your country. So I will click on done. Okay, now our profile is complete. If we go to our profile, it will show like this. Now we have to create board. As example, if we go inside those profile and click on this saved icon, we will see all board related to their account. Board like a folder. So as example, if you create the board called marriage advice, you can publish pin on this board related to marriage advice. So if I click on this board, I will see all the content related to marriage. So this is a great way to organize your content, and users or Pinterest reader will identify the content type by checking the board name and board cover image. So let's create some boards. I go to my profile and I click on this plus icon. Now I click on board. In here I can add name to my board. As I told before, find out keywords related to your niche. Okay, here is a way to find name to your board. Go to pinterest.com and click on this search. Then search something related to your niche or something related to your board. So I will search like relationship advice. When I search relationship advice, I will get all keywords related to relationship advice. So there has relationship codes for women. If I go to relationship codes for women, I will see more keywords related to that keyword. So in this way you can find out keywords and you can add those keywords to your board. So in this board I will add relationship codes for women. When add name to your board, always make first letter as capital. Then don't check this, keep this board secret. If we check it, it will show only for you, but we need to share this board with whole Pinterest community. Then click on create. After you create it, you can pin other people's content to your board. Basically click on save icon, find the content relevant to your board and select those content. Then click on done. So this is our first board. Then click on these 3 dots and click on edit board. After that you can add board cover image. So I already created this pin. I will add it to this board. Before that I have to add description to this board. So always add description that have keywords. In this example I am not going to add any description. I click on done. Then I can create more boards by clicking this icon. So I go to my profile and I can click on this plus button and create more boards. So do the keyword research, or you can find board by search on Pinterest and get ideas from about board. So I will create board like this and save some pins to that board. So I will create another board. Try to create 6-7 boards for your account. In this example I will create 4 boards and will see you. Now I have to add cover to this Pinterest account. To do that I will go to pexels.com and find image related to love and relationship. Okay, I found this image. I will download it. Then I go to Pinterest and click on add cover and upload that cover image. Now I click on save. Okay, great. Now it's time to create pins. To create pins, you can click this plus button and click on pins. So you have to create your own pins. To do that, go to canva.com and search Pinterest pin. Here is it. I click on Pinterest pin and you will get pre-built template like this. Just click on one of template. Let's click this one. Now you can edit this template. So basically go to Pinterest and search pins on this search bar. So I will search like relationship advice and click on all pins. Now you will see high engaging pins related to relationship advice code. So create pin related to this design and this format. Then I will go here and I will select this one. Basically you can find relationship advice on Google. Just go inside one of those websites and find relationship advice. So I will select this one and go to Canva and put that code here. Now you can go to Pinterest and drag your pin here and drop it. Your pin will appear like this. Then you have to add title to your pin. So I will add. So do the keyword research and add title. Also you have to add description to small description to your pin. In this example I will add like. Then you have to add tags. At least add 4-5 tags per pin. To find tags you can go to Google and search relationship advice tag. Then you can go to besthashtag.com and select hashtag. Let's select those hashtags and come to Pinterest and paste your tag here. Then in here you can add your affiliate URL. So don't add your direct affiliate URL. As example, if you join with Digistore24 you can get promotional URL. Don't directly add this promotion URL to your print. Always create landing page. So here is one of my landing page. Always create landing page and add this landing page URL. So I already have few video about how to create landing page for free and paid. So just refer those videos and create simple and awesome landing page. Then copy that landing page URL and put the link here. After that you can select the board. So I will select this board. Currently we have only 4 boards. I will select this board and click on publish button. Then if I go to my profile, let me refresh, I will go to creator and I will see my pin here. So currently no one saw the pin or no one click on link. So if someone click this link, it will redirect to my landing page, and then that person click on this image or click on this button, that person will redirect to this sales page of Digistore24 or sales page of his secret obsession. So this is the way to create your own pins and add your affiliate URL to those pins. Also, Pinterest is really easy to grow. Always add hashtags or keywords related to your niche, or basically find out other people's content and add keyword and hashtag related to those pins, and you will get organic traffic. Also, you have to repin other people's content to your board, because currently you don't have any traffic, but when you repin other people's content, you will able to grab their audience to your. You have to repin other people's content to your account. When you repin those content, you will organically grow your followers and traffic of your Pinterest account. As example, to repin the pins, you can search pins related to your boards and you can click on the select button and select the board you need to repin this post. So I will select this one and it will automatically repin. So do this at least 15 to 20 times per day like this, and share your original content to your Pinterest account. At least do it 2 times per day. That means at least create your own 2 pins and add to your Pinterest account. In this way you will grow your Pinterest account organically, so that will help you to make affiliate sales by creating organic audience around your Pinterest account. So this is the simple way to do affiliate marketing with Pinterest account. So you have to be consistent with this method. If you plan to make sales within 1-2 months, don't even try this method, because those are free methods. It takes time. That is the hard truth. So if you have time and passion to share contents and create pins, definitely start this method. Eventually you will make traffic and able to gain followers to your profile. Not only that, finally you will be able to make affiliate sales. I hope you get valuable information in this video. In next video I will see you with new method. Also, if you like this kind of content, feel free to subscribe, and if you have any kind of questions, just let me know on comment section. Also, if this video helpful, feel free to share it and like it. I will see you in next time.